Just to introduce Paul here. So Paul is with Conspiracy Theory Brewing. Where'd your can go, Paul? You should grab that so you can show it off.
Right in front of the camera.
He brought some lovely beers for us to drink tonight. We're taking a little bit of a break from Paul's beers, and we're going to drink our new beer, the Parley, which is a tropical grog. So we're doing this every week. Paul, you can see on our board here that we're sort of moving across and trying to do 52 beers in 52 weeks, which is somewhat stupid. But we're going to have fun with it. And this is the tropical grog. So this is based on our Ocala ginger coriander cream ale, but we've added pineapple, mango, and we've aged on oak chips that were soaked in rum from north of 7.
Again, thank you, North of 7. They kindly gave us their a barrel-aged rum. He'll read the bottle itself. It was recommended by them to age it on the oak chips and just to get a lot of the nose aroma and taste of the rum. And yeah, so they gave us this to help kind of with our 52. We want to kind of collab with not only just ourselves, but with like the Wrecking Group, with some other businesses.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Major spice and rum on the nose there.
Yeah, I got a little cinnamon.
Yeah, tons of cinnamon. Maybe a little bit of nutmeg.
Sounds like ginger.
Yeah, so the base of this beer is our ginger coriander cream.
I find it really smooth, really mellow, just sort of really...
It's dried out.
Now, is this a spiced rum or is this just a straight rum?
So originally I'd asked about a spice rum, thinking that was the way to go. And they recommended to go with this one. There was more characteristics with it. He says it just kind of comes through more in those tropical drinks.
So this is 750 mils, and how big of a batch of
150 liters.
150 mils.
Soaked in oak chips.
Right, so we added the rum to the oak chips, and then added the oak chips to the batch.
Oh, okay, so the rum didn't go straight in.
Yeah,
just the soaking and
Just
chips.
the soaking and chips.
Quite.
Yeah. But I really like it. It's really nice and subtle.
Yeah.
It still has
Presence,
great flavor
sure,
to it.
yeah.
A nice body, deep depth, everything to it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Pirates would be proud.
Pirates.
Yeah, well, so that's the basis of it. It's a tropical grog, and which was a pile of different rums all sort of mixed together, a bunch of different alcohols mixed together when they're varying levels of quality, right?
Swamp water.
Right, swamp water, exactly. So we did the ginger coriander along with mango, pineapple, and then the oak chips on it. So
It's very piratey.
yeah,
I don't think I take
Yar.
this.
I mean, honestly, who wouldn't want to rather be in Jamaica or some sort of pirate
Yeah,
sort of
sorry.
area in the Caribbean at this time of year, right?
Yeah.
What was your idea before you show us of this?
Yeah.
I actually had no idea what I was going to do.
You seen it?
You
No.
don't even have a
No,
preview sketch?
No, there's no concept for this whatsoever.
I missed the preview sketches. Like the crappy stickman. Okay.
I don't even understand how you expect those sketches to
It kind of looks like
convey
an
any
old
kind of
football
idea.
play. Okay, Triangle's gonna go over there. He's gonna cover
It's
X.
a time where he gets shit on it for absolutely no reason, right?
Wow.
We're telling you how we enjoy your nonsense.
The nonsense has become something half
You
decent.
should upload
right?
examples, right?
Somehow. Yeah. Anyways, I didn't know what to do with this. We talked about skull and crossbones, pirate themed type of thing. What kind of stuff could you do? I didn't want to go cheesy on it though. But I wanted to sort of do a pirate idea or theme without being cheesy about it. But I also wanted to incorporate the leatherback rum, so I did this kind of thing. So it's
Oh, dang!
I like turtles.
I like photos.
That is totally a different color than I was expecting.
Yeah,
No,
I like
That's
I was
like
thinking-
Drake's Uncharted.
That's
I was
fantastic.
literally thinking water, so I thought it was gonna be a blue label, like a dark blue, like the sea.
No,
and this
Irie.
actually, to me, is like a pirate map.
So what's the verdict? Is this okay?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm into this.
Really enjoyable.
Sorry, North of 7.
Technically, it would have been better if we just for the homies.
Pour one out for the
Now I have to share my table with our guests.
Yeah. You weren't supposed to be here.
Okay.
Hey,
I planned this.
I am ignoring my children.
Good for you.